New Y-shaped design comes through when art meets technology. New size design, minimum floor occupation. Just 1.56 square meters covers. Breakthrough, the industry limit. More energy saving. Low cost to become reality. Wide temperature range design. Wide adaptability. 15 Celsius degrees below zero in heating. 50 Celsius degrees in cooling. Backup operation function design, high reliability. Even if there is a failure, chiller is still running. Control design, more selective. Maximum 16 sets 130 kW chiller controlled in one system. Easy installation and DC operation.